Hi, Rochelle with Lady Fermenter. Join me today as we make vanilla extract. And you're going to want to stick around to the end because I'm going to show you why this is a great idea if you're into fermenting beverages. I'll share some ideas with you, and I'll share how the magic of vanilla saved the day in one of our experiments.
All you need to make single-strength vanilla, according to the FDA, is to add 2.64 ounces of vanilla beans to 25 ounces of alcohol, or approximately 75 grams of vanilla beans to 750 mLs, and wait anywhere from 4 to 18 months. How easy was that? Or we can speed things up. Now, the first batch I used vodka, but the second batch I'm going to be using a wheated bourbon, and I chose it because the flavor profile is very smooth. We purchased our beans from Indri Vanilla, and we'll be adding 4 ounces of the Madagascar vanilla beans into 750 mLs of bourbon. Now, Indri recommends that you use alcohol that is 80 to 100 proof, or 40 to 50 ABV. Now, if you'd like to speed things up, they recommend a water bath from 60 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 32 degrees Celsius. We recommend that you check out the resource pages at Indri's website, and we'll put a link down below.
Quite the rabbit hole of vanilla beans and alcohol. So this hot steep method is going to extract beautiful vanilla flavors faster than if we didn't heat it up. Be safe, don't use your microwave, use a water bath. So much fun. Figure I'll have some left over because of displacement caused by 4 ounces of vanilla bean. You can see that extraction's already happening just by heating up this vodka. So a couple ideas that I want to share with you are a vanilla porter, a chocolate vanilla stout, or a coffee vanilla. That would be fun. A honey, a orange and vanilla classic flavor, or perhaps vanilla in a cider, vanilla nutmeg would be fun. I'm thinking a raspberry vanilla wine. So I just want to share how I'm going to be using vanilla in our beverages. What I'll be doing is I'll be using the bean, and what I'll do is I'll wait till the fermentation is done, get the beverage off the yeast, and then I'm going to age the beverage on a bean or several, whatever feels like the right thing to do at the time. I'll test it daily, and once it gets to a flavor profile that we like, then I'm going to pull the beans. That's how I'm going to use it. I'm probably not going to use just the extract to flavor the beverage because I feel it would be expensive. It might change the color. It would raise the ABV depending upon how much we used. So my plan is to age the beverage on the beautiful vanilla bean. Now, I will share with you, I do use vanilla extract to test out my crazy ideas, and you're going to see a picture coming up pretty quick. And what I was testing out there was not only the vanilla, because I was using a sweet traditional mead. What I was also testing out was how I wanted to get the orange flavor into the mead. So you'll see those two glasses, both have vanilla. One has fresh OJ and the other one has the zest. And honestly, we like them both. So I might split the batch and see which one we like better, and then who knows, maybe I'll blend them back. The cool thing about this is you can do whatever you want. Now, I did promise I would share how vanilla saved the day in one of our experiments, and you're going to see this on an upcoming video, but we did a tincture using fenugreek. And fenugreek is used to make artificial maple flavoring. But after a few weeks, when it came time to put it in a beer, it didn't taste good enough for me. It didn't taste enough like maple flavor. Put a tablespoon of vanilla into the fenugreek tincture, and it tasted a little bit better. So I did it again. And those 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract made the biggest difference and made the tincture good enough to put into the beer. That's one of the ways that vanilla is completely magical. So if you're looking to up your game, or you think a ferment could use a little something something, give vanilla a try. And thanks a pint for watching.